PNW Levi here. Welcome to my channel again. Once again, we are working on my 85 K2500, and I lost a lot of footage. I've done a lot of work, and I wanted to bring you up to date. So here I'm battling with trying to take the fenders off, get all the stuff out so I can get it, get that process started. I've never done it before, especially by myself. But over the last few weeks, I've done quite a bit, and I apologize for not having videos out for you. I do try my best to get out here, record, work, but that's what it is. Well, I got the front clip off, I got the truck inside, I rebuilt the fuel tank hanging straps. That was a chore in itself, and actually there's another video, I'll link to this, of what I did, because I didn't think I found anything else when I did this. I had to guess it myself, but it turned out pretty good. It was pretty easy work. I replaced the lower rocker panel and the rear corner, wired up the motor, got that ready for plug and play action. Once the motor's installed, the cab's back on. Before I pulled the motor out, I had to get the big bumper out of the way. I didn't have enough clearance to get it out of there. And I built that bumper a few years back, and I kind of wish I had a cherry picker then, because I had to lift that heavy thing by hand. And this time I didn't have to take the winch out. I didn't have to do anything, and I had my youngest daughter helping me out. She didn't do much, but it was nice to have someone helping me with the jack at least. We struggled quite some time to get that dang engine out, because I left the transmission on. I had the transfer case taken off, but just the balance of the motor, even with my little lever doohickey on there for pulling the motor out, still had a lot of trouble with it. But we got it. I had a broken motor mount. And then right here, the blower housing, where it's that inside, or that silver piece, that's where the evaporator used to be at. It used to have a big bubble stuck out. I don't have AC, so cut that off, put a flat sheet of stainless steel on it, and after that, painted up the frame, got that cleaned up pretty decently, got the motor back into it, completed most of my wiring on it. Those new brackets and fuel tanks went in, and painted up, or primered up, and undercoated the doors, the fenders, the fuel tanks. What else? Did a lot of work though. My girlfriend, I call her my wife most of the time. We're not married yet. She helped me out quite a bit. She did some of the primer. She wanted to, she's never painted before, not auto paint anyway, so she wanted to help out. I sprayed the rustoleum body stuff on, and got that going pretty good. Got all my 4-link suspension worked up. Welded up from Barnes 4-wheel drive, got that welded ready to go, and then worked on the axle. This is the front axle. Cleaned off all the old shock hangers, spring brackets, stuff like that. Got that polished up, moved the cab back up so it's closer to work on, and pretty much present right now. That's how the truck's sitting. And I'm working on the 4-link suspension, trying to figure out my angles, working on the 4-link calculator, which you'll see in just a second, trying to get all the numbers, the geometry just perfect, so this truck should ride and be great, on-road, off-road, everything. A little bit of a challenge to package it in here just right the way I want it, but I think today I might have all the pieces tacked up into place where I need them. So here's my mess. There's the front half of the garage, and there's been my workstation today, working on videos, working on 4-link calculator. And here's the proof. This is the video I'm working on. And that's my cute butt on TV. Haha. But other than that, thank you for joining me. Like and subscribe. Sorry the videos have not been coming out as often as I should. Sorry I didn't educate you on anything. But I'm going to do my best for the 4-link. So, thank you. And please like, subscribe, share, yada, yada, yada. You take care.